Security, CCS, met on 1 March under the chairmanship of the Honorable Prime Minister. It was briefed on the airstrikes in Iran and the subsequent attacks in several Gulf countries. The CCS was concerned over the safety and security of the Indian community in the region. It also focused on the implications for regional security and for economic and commercial activities. The committee was apprised of difficulties faced by Indian travelers transiting the region and by students appearing for scheduled examinations in these countries. It directed all concerned ministries and departments to take appropriate measures to respond to these problems. Honorable Prime Minister continues to closely monitor emerging developments and relevant ministries are coordinating to ensure effective responses.
डॉक्टर एस डी शंकर ने कहा कि हमारा कौमी मफाद हमेशा सबसे बालातर रहेगा, जिसमें तवानाई की यकीनी फराहमी और तिजारती हदफ शामिल हैं। डॉक्टर एस डी शंकर ने यह भी कहा कि भारतीय सार्फिन का मफाद हमेशा हमारी अवलीन तरजीहात में शामिल है और आगे भी रहेगा।
For our energy security, I also seek to address that particular concern. Government remains committed to ensuring that fully taking into account availability, costs and risks of the energy markets. For us, the interests of the Indian consumer has and will always be the overriding priority. Where required, Indian diplomacy has supported the endeavors of our energy enterprises in this volatile situation.
डॉक्टर एस डी शंकर ने कहा कि खलीजी ममालिक में तकरीबन 1 करोड़ भारतीय रहते हैं और काम करते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि वहाँ फंसे भारतीयों को बाहिफाजत वापस लाने के लिए हर मुमकिन कोशिश की जा रही है।
This ongoing conflict is an issue of particular concern for India. We are a neighboring region and understandably have obvious stakes that West Asia remains stable and peaceful. There are almost 1 crore Indian citizens who live and work in the Gulf nations. In Iran too, there are a few thousand Indians who are there for study or for employment. The region is key to our energy security and includes many important suppliers of oil and gas. Serious supply chain disruptions and climate of instability that we perceive are serious issues. Government has been assessing the situation in West Asia continuously since the 12-day war in June 2025.
वज़ीर ख़ारजा एस डी शंकर ने कहा कि भारतीय सिफारतखाना तेहरान में फंसे भारतीय तलबा को वापस लाने में मदद